Hello YouTube, today we're going to have a look at the Thorium 100. This is a gaming keyboard from Element Gaming. Okay, so first of all we're presented with a really nice package box here with a picture of the keyboard itself on. Some information on the side here. It says it has dedicated multimedia keys, non-slip keyboard design and ergonomic design for comfort. On the back of the package we have just a few more specifications there. Okay, so let's get this thing opened up and have a closer look. Okay, so first of all, the keyboard is nicely protected in this kind of bubble wrappy kind of stuff. So we'll just put that to one side for the moment and have a look at what else comes with the keyboard. Okay, so first of all we have a little instruction manual here. Just tells you some of the key features again of the keyboard. And also we have some replacement keys here. These are for the W, A, S and D keys. For those of you that are going to be solely using this for gaming. And we also get a colour matched key puller as well to pull off the keys, but we'll cover that in just a moment. Okay, so straight out of the bag, here we have the keyboard. We have a nice solid plastic design here in black with a nice texture here, almost like a brushed aluminium look, even though it is plastic. We have the logo. We have multimedia keys across the top here. Turning it over to the rear, we have a nice blue colour here to match the accents that come with the bonus keys and the multimedia buttons. We have a nice solid, quite thick cable here, and that comes with a gold plated USB connector there. Back to the bottom of the keyboard, here we can see a few drainage holes here, so if you do have the unfortunate mishap of spilling a drink on this keyboard, then the water will not pool inside the keyboard, it will come out through these drainage holes here. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the replacement keys. Okay, so to remove the key, all you need to do is clip the key puller either side and just pull straight up, and that will remove the key. Then get in the replacement key. We can just push that down into place, like so. The keys do have a nice tactile feel to them. They're not mechanical, they are just a standard membrane, but they do have a nice feel to them and would be ideal for gaming and using as just a general keyboard. Okay, so as you can see here, the keyboard does come with 8 replacement keys, so you can replace the W, A, S, D keys and also the standard cursor keys for the blue versions. The blue keys aren't printed, but those of you that are gamers won't really need to know what letters they are. Okay, so my final thoughts on this keyboard. This is an ideal keyboard for somebody who's into gaming. Probably not for the professional level gamer, but for somewhere at the lower end or up to intermediate gamer, this would be an excellent choice of keyboard. This will also go well with a PC. If you have a black PC with blue accents, this would tie in rather nicely and be color coded to your system. Okay folks, so that is my unboxing and first look at the Element Gaming Thorium 100 gaming keyboard. I'd like to say a massive thank you to eBuyer for sending this product out for review. If you do wish to purchase one of these, I'll provide a link in the description below where you can purchase one from Amazon. And as usual, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share this video with everyone you know.